Hello everyone. Welcome to the Live Well Everyday channel. Many of us are used to looking for expensive jars of cream, believing that only those can keep our skin smooth, youthful, and firm. But there are also many who believe that the purest, most effective solutions actually lie in the natural ingredients around us. So, what truly helps slow down aging, fade wrinkles, and bring back radiant, healthy skin? In this video, our expert will walk you through and share a very simple yet surprisingly effective secret. Watch until the end to discover this special formula. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments, and stay connected. Wishing you good health and youthful skin every day. Dear friends, let's now step into today's formula. The first ingredient is fresh rose petals. Roses aren't just beautiful to admire, they are also a gentle, medicine chest for the skin. Each delicate petal contains natural vitamin C, which supports collagen production, the protein that keeps skin elastic, firm, and helps fine lines gradually fade over time. Alongside that are polyphenols and other antioxidants, which can neutralize free radicals, the culprits behind cell damage, dullness, and premature aging. Roses also contain tannins, which gently tighten tissue, making pores look smaller, reducing excess oil, and giving the skin a firmer, smoother feel. After the rose base comes warm milk, the second ingredient. Simple but very powerful for skincare. The most important highlight of milk is lactic acid, a natural AHA that works gently on the surface, loosening old, rough skin cells so they can be replaced with a smoother, brighter layer. Milk is also rich in proteins such as casein and whey. When applied to the skin, they form a thin moisturizing film for a soothing sensation. Its fats and phospholipids replenish natural lipids, improving flexibility and reducing dryness, while lactose provides mild humectant properties, helping the outer layer retain moisture better. From a functional view, milk acts like a guide. Its mild lactic acid environment helps break down plant cell structures in rose petals, releasing vitamin C and polyphenols more easily, while creating the right conditions for these compounds to absorb effectively. In other words, warm milk isn't just a carrier but also the key to maximizing results, laying a strong foundation for the next steps. The third ingredient is nourishing oil. You can choose coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil depending on your skin type and preference. Since each brings its own unique benefit, coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, with natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, perfect for dry, flaky skin that needs a thick layer of nourishment to restore softness and smoothness. Olive oil is a treasure chest of oleic acid and vitamin E, helping soften the skin, improve elasticity, and add antioxidant support, an ideal choice when the skin barrier begins to weaken or fine lines appear. Almond oil is light and fast absorbing, rich in vitamins A, B, and E, making it especially suitable for sensitive skin that craves a breathable yet well-nourished feel. What all three oils have in common is that they supply essential fatty acids, which help restore the hydrolipid layer, the skin's natural protective barrier. When this layer is strong, the skin retains moisture better and resists environmental stress more effectively, thanks to its moisture-locking mechanism. Nourishing oil seals in the hydration delivered by milk, glycerin, and aloe vera, ensuring long-lasting, deeper effects. You can imagine it this way: rose petals and milk act as the openers and preparers, while oil serves as the gatekeeper, protecting precious nutrients from evaporating while adding its own vitamins and fatty acids. Following the oil is glycerin, small but mighty, truly the water magnet of the formula. Glycerin pulls moisture from the environment and traps it in the outer skin layer, keeping it plump and elastic. When placed between the watery phase of milk and aloe, then topped with a thin layer of oil, it creates a strong hydration triangle. Water provides moisture, glycerin holds it, and oil locks it in. With this structure, the skin doesn't dry out quickly but instead stays soft, supple, and full of life. Used alone, glycerin can sometimes feel a bit sticky, but when blended into aloe vera gel and balanced with oil, the sensation on skin becomes smooth, fresh, and pleasant. Beyond hydration, glycerin also helps strengthen the protective barrier, creating a stable environment for other nutrients to work at their best. Finally comes aloe vera gel, the soul of the formula. Aloe gel is rich in polysaccharides, especially acemannan, which soothes inflammation, reduces redness, and supports epidermal repair, while forming a thin water-retaining film to keep skin hydrated for hours. It also contains the trio of vitamins A, C, and E along with minerals like zinc, magnesium, and calcium, all of which contribute to antioxidant defense, barrier support, and reduced sensitivity to environmental stress. The cool, refreshing texture of aloe vera is another advantage. It works as a base gel to evenly disperse water and oil phases, blending everything smoothly while delivering instant relaxation upon contact with the skin. This means aloe vera balances, soothes, and enhances absorption for the entire formula. When these ingredients come together, the formula works on multiple layers. The surface becomes renewed and brighter thanks to lactic acid from milk combined with tannins from rose. The middle layer stays hydrated and smooth with glycerin and aloe polysaccharides. The deeper layer is strengthened by oils rich in fatty acids and vitamins. At the same time, a network of natural antioxidants from rose, aloe, and vitamin E in the oils protects skin cells from free radical damage. Altogether, this creates a very balanced closed loop: gentle cleansing, hydration, moisture retention, sealing, protection, and anti-aging. For middle-aged skin, which tends to lose water, lack lipids, and recover more slowly, this structure works even better. The surface becomes smoother, skin tone brighter, fine lines less visible, and the plump, supple feeling lasts longer. The method is very simple. Dear friends, first, prepare a handful of fresh rose petals. Rinse them lightly with clean water to remove dust. Then soak the petals in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of warm milk. Remember, the milk should be boiled first, then cooled to lukewarm. This eliminates bacteria and helps the rose's nutrients dissolve better. After about half an hour, you'll notice the milk turning light pink. That's when the active compounds have been released. Next, blend this mixture and strain it to obtain rose milk. We only need about 1 tablespoon for the formula. The rest can be used as a facial rinse or frozen into ice cubes for a refreshing massage. The following step: mix the strained rose milk with 1 tablespoon of your chosen nourishing oil, coconut, olive, or almond, then add a small spoonful of glycerin to boost hydration. And finally blend in aloe vera gel to your desired consistency. More gel makes it light like a serum. Less gel makes it thick like a cream. Stir until the mixture is smooth, even, and naturally bright. Store it in a clean glass jar, tightly sealed, and keep it in the refrigerator. Best used within 7 to 10 days to maintain freshness. For application, cleanse your face. Gently pat dry, then apply a thin layer of the mixture. Massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Use regularly, once or twice a day, with nighttime being the most effective for absorption. Prohibited a few precautions. If you have allergies to roses, cow's milk, aloe vera, or plant oils, test first on a small patch of skin on your wrist or behind your ear. If redness or itching appears, stop immediately. Those with severe acne-prone skin, dermatitis, eczema, or fungal issues should not apply this formula, as oils may worsen the condition. People with overly sensitive skin to lactic acid in milk should also test carefully to avoid mild irritation like tingling or redness. Not recommended for children, since their skin is still too delicate and sensitive. Light bulb tip: if applied at night, Rinse thoroughly the next morning and always apply sunscreen before going outdoors. Since the skin has just been renewed by lactic acid and other active compounds, it can be more vulnerable to UV damage. Dear friends, many people still believe that skincare from the outside alone is enough. But in reality, that's only half the journey. To keep skin truly healthy, beautiful, and youthful, we also need to nourish from within, because it's what's inside that forms the true root of our appearance. First of all, vitamin C is an essential key. When you get enough vitamin C from oranges, lemons, guava, or amla, your body has the raw material to boost collagen synthesis. Collagen acts like the scaffolding that keeps skin firm, smooth, and elastic, while helping fine lines fade over time. Without enough vitamin C, this framework weakens, leading to sagging skin and early wrinkles. At the same time, antioxidant-rich foods serve as the shield that protects skin against free radicals, the main culprits behind rapid aging. You can regularly include green tea, purple grapes, dark leafy greens, or nutrient-dense nuts like walnuts and almonds. The polyphenols and flavonoids in these foods neutralize free radicals, reduce hyperpigmentation, and help keep skin bright and full of vitality. Beyond vitamins and antioxidants, water is a silent but extremely important nutrient. Drinking 1.5 to 2 liters daily prevents dryness and helps the skin stay plump and radiant. Without enough water, skin turns dull and lifeless, no matter how many creams are applied externally. Additionally, a diet rich in high-quality protein from fish, eggs, yogurt, and legumes provides amino acids, the building blocks for regenerating skin cells. Pair that with healthy fats from fatty fish, olive oil, flax seeds, or avocado. These good fats strengthen cell membranes, allowing skin not only to hold moisture better but also to resist environmental stress more effectively. And don't forget, deep sleep and a relaxed mind are the most priceless. Free medicine for your skin. With enough rest, your body produces more growth hormone, aiding cell repair and leaving skin brighter with fewer wrinkles. On the other hand, chronic stress and frequent sleep deprivation leave the skin dull and speed up aging, no matter how carefully it's treated on the outside. Put simply, applying cream is like taking care of the branches, while nutrition, hydration, sleep, and mental balance nourish the roots. When the roots are strong, the tree flourishes for the long run. Another absolutely crucial step is protecting the skin from sunlight. UV rays can destroy collagen, break down elastin fibers, and generate free radicals, making all skincare efforts useless. That's why, after applying cream, especially in the daytime, you should shield your skin carefully and use proper sunscreen. This is the irreplaceable layer of protection to keep your skin healthy and youthful. Years ago, in my neighborhood, there was a woman named Mrs. Hong, over 55 years old. She worked hard in her garden, so her skin was constantly exposed to sun and wind. For many years, she hardly cared for her skin, thinking simply, "I'm old. Wrinkles are just natural." But one day, at a wedding, she suddenly realized that many of her peers looked more youthful, with brighter skin and fewer wrinkles, while hers was rough and darkened. She later shared how sad she felt at that moment, wondering, "Is there really no way for me to improve this?" From that day on, Mrs. Hong began to change. At first, she tried simple formulas like soaking rose petals, aloe vera, and milk for skincare, but more importantly, she focused on her diet. Every morning she drank a cup of warm lemon water, ate more greens and guava, and kept the habit of green tea every afternoon. She also worked on going to bed earlier, managing stress, and avoiding late nights as she used to. The miracle is that after just a few months, Mrs. Hong's skin was no longer dry, and her dark spots had noticeably faded. Friends who saw her again were surprised and said, "You look so rosy and youthful these days." Mrs. Hong smiled gently and replied, "Honestly, there's no secret trick. It's simply caring from the outside and nourishing from the inside. If you stay consistent, your skin will reward you with youthfulness." Her story is living proof that it's never too late to care for your skin. What truly matters is not how many years you've missed, but whether you're willing to start today and stick with it. When you combine simple natural remedies with a healthy lifestyle, your skin will gradually transform in a positive way. Day by day, not only will you see brighter, more elastic skin, but most importantly, your confidence and joy will return. Dear friends, with just a few familiar ingredients around us, we've created an all-natural face cream, safe, affordable, and sustainably effective. When paired with a balanced diet, proper sleep, and daily sun protection, your skin will become smoother, more radiant, and maintain its youthful glow over the years. If you found this formula helpful, please hit like, share, and subscribe to Live Well Everyday so we can continue exploring more natural health and beauty secrets together. Wishing you good health, happiness, and a forever youthful, radiant skin. Cherry blossom sparkles. ..